Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Deal. They have 289 reviews on Glassdoor with a rating of a 4.1 out of 5 stars. And of course, their Glassdoor page, as well as the job page, if you want to put that application in, is always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Deal is a business that helps other businesses hire people anywhere easily. They have 2,000 self-driven individuals spanning over 100 countries working for them. They are hiring a customer support quality assurance analyst. So this is a non-phone job. You are not actually a customer support rep. You are going to be scoring and grading the customer support reps on how well they do. Now, their customer support reps do non-phone chats and tickets. So as a quality assurance analyst, you'll be responsible for assessing the quality of the performance of their chat support agents who deal with their existing and potential users. So you'll monitor chat interactions and assess to support the agent's behavior, proactivity, accuracy, performance, and conformity to Deal's policies and procedures. You'll be reviewing and conducting quality assurance on the support tickets against the set scorecard. So they're already going to give you a grading rubric to go by. You'll provide feedback and important guidelines to the customer support agents. You'll review DSAT tickets and provide an overview of issues and improvement opportunities to the customer service team leads. You'll work on root cause analysis, so you'll be kind of looking at reporting, identifying trends, patterns, and gaps in agent pod and overall support performance. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they're looking for somebody who has 2 to 3 years of some kind of experience in a quality assurance role. Tech, fintech, or HR is a plus, but a certain industry is not required. They want somebody who has experience conducting KPIs, somebody who has experience looking at things and identifying root causes, someone who has great communication skills and the ability to investigate complex issues. You also have to have that hard work ethic. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not list pay. That's going to be always dependent on location and experience and will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. But it does say that they provide computer equipment applicable to your role to you. So all the computer equipment you need to do the job will be given to you. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, or if you have any feedback for me on how I could make these videos more helpful to you, leave that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.